Hello YouTube, this is Vaughn2480. I'm here with a quick nail stamping tutorial. I polished my nails all over with this nail polish from Julep. And then I used this Pueen Geo Stamping Plate, and I use this image right here. And the stamping polish I use is by Mundo. It's the number 2 and the color black. And I just use my Mundo scraper and my Maniology stamper. And I use acetone to clean off my plate. And I use this lint roller, mini lint roller I found at Dollar Tree, to clean off my stamper. I already did my left hand off camera. And I started on my right hand. I did my thumb and my pinky already. I'm gonna try to do these 3 on camera for you all. Sometimes with stamping it can be kind of difficult because sometimes the images don't come out that well when you stamp it the first time, and sometimes you have to stamp it more than once. And I've been having that problem. So I may do all 3 on camera and I may not. So we'll see how it goes. And see, this is the problem I've been having. So. This is how it's looking. I'm going to use my precision Q-tips to clean up around my fingers, and I will be back. Okay everyone, I'm back. I cleaned up around my fingers and I added some oil to my fingers. This is just some olive oil, and I added some essential oils to it. And I purchased this bottle from naillight.com. It's been a while. And I just poured in my own mixture for cuticle oil. But this is the final results of my nails. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them below. And I thank you all for watching. And if you have any video suggestions, just leave them below. Take care and have a wonderful, blessed day. So.